Ako po si Catherine C. Perez, and this is my baby Cyrus. I'm a Noble Life staff since April 2007. Nagtitake po ako ng crypto December 2006 nung in-introduce siya sa akin dun sa Cebu. Before ako mabuntis, I've been taking crypto monadales, and even during my pregnancy, nagtitake pa rin ako ng crypto. So as a result, here's baby Cyrus, a healthy baby boy. Thank you sa crypto and sa Noble Life.